You know what's better than buying a new car? Buying the same car at half the price. But what if that half price car ends up burning a hole in your pocket? Hello and welcome to Cars24 Insider, and today we are talking about the hidden cost of buying a used car. Let's go. Now before you commit and buy a used car, you need to get it inspected. Think of it like a health checkup for a used car. But this doctor charges extra. Professional inspection by mechanics or service centers don't come free. Cars24 Checkpoints covers 300 plus inspection. And here's the good news. If you're buying a used car from Cars24, the inspection report is absolutely free. And about those certified pre-owned cars, for which a few dealerships charge extra for that certified tag, Cars24 doesn't charge a single paisa for certification. Because we believe peace of mind shouldn't come with a hidden cost. As simple as that. Buying a used car is like adopting a doggo. It will love you unconditionally but would want constant attention. Even after inspection, older cars might need repairs. Brake pads, clutch plates, suspension work, even paint work. And that is where Cars24's PDI or pre-delivery inspection service comes in. It spots problems before it spots your bank balance. Let's be honest, nobody reads the fine print. But this fine print can save you lakhs. Extended warranties protect you from all sorts of surprises, but they come with an extra cost. However, with Cars24 Care Plus plan, you get 3 years 45,000 km warranty, free servicing, OEM parts, and roadside assistance all at a nominal price. And unlike other platforms, this applies to all cars, not just selected ones. So yeah, it's like buying insurance, but one that actually works for you when you need it. Used cars are affordable, but sometimes their insurance isn't. The IDV or insurance declared value on a used car is lower, yes, but the risk of breakdowns is higher. So your add-on comprehensive car insurance can cost more. Say for a 5-year-old car, expect to pay 8 to 15,000 extra. Basically cheaper car, costlier peace of mind. That's inflation for you. Used car loans. Yes, they exist, but with a ittu bittu sa twist. And by twist, I mean higher interest rates. Used car loans usually range from 10 to 15%, while new car loans are around 8 to 12%. For a 5 lakh loan, that's extra 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees over a period of 5 years. Mehenga sauda. But when you finance through Cars24, you get interest rates starting at 10.99% with options of up to 0 down payment. So basically, your EMIs can chill while you can still flex your ride. Remember, the first owner already took the big depreciation hit, but that does not mean that you are safe. Cars over 5 years old lose their value like hell, say 15 to 20% every year. And luxury cars even more, 1 to 2 lakh rupees on their resale value. So while you might buy it cheap, selling it later would be another story. In short, the resale value of a used car is also a hidden cost, sort of. Now, when you buy a used car, the paperwork party begins. Ownership transfer, maybe road tax if it's from another state, and even NOC or no objection certificate fees. But when you buy a used car from Cars24, all that paperwork is handled for you at 0 extra cost. So while others are chasing the RTO offices, you are chasing the sunset. Older cars tend to drink more fuel. Say a car rated for 20 kmpl when it was new might only give 15 to 16 kmpl now. Say if your running is 1,000 kilometers per month, that's easily 2 to 3,000 extra every month. And over a year, that's enough for a Goa trip. Chal bhai, Goa chalte hain, aaja. Sometimes a used car actually feels used and old. You want a touchscreen infotainment system, you want a reverse camera, You will pay 10 to 30,000 rupees extra. And for some features like the airbags, ABS, and even the sunroof can't be added later. So yes, upgrading is fun until the credit card bill arrives. You know what's the opposite of finding some loose change in your car? Finding out that your car has pending challan. Yes, sometimes previous owner forget to pay their traffic fines. And when the car is in your name, those pending challan become your headache. Pending challans can stop your RC transfer, delay insurance claims, or even get you pulled over for something that you didn't do. So before buying, always check your car's challan history on the Cars24 app or on M-Parivahan or your state transport website. Now, the good news. When you buy a car from Cars24, all those challans are already cleared before the car is handed over to you. Because we believe the only kind of surprises that you should get are the good ones, like a free coffee on delivery. So, should you buy a used car? Absolutely. They're of great value, but only when you know what you are getting into. Hidden costs like inspection, insurance, depreciation, and fuel can add up really fast. But say if you buy smart from Cars24, you skip the headache and just enjoy the drive. So next time when someone offers you a sasta deal, make sure it's not a mehenga one later. This is Akshat. You're watching Cars24 Insider. Thank you for watching.